Narcissists never treat the new supply better, so why do we think that they do? If you can see how they treat the new supply, they're putting on a show. Why would a narcissist put on a show? Because they want you to see. And the reason they want you to see is because they want you to believe that someone else is getting everything that you wanted. The new supply probably doesn't even want what you wanted. But let's even put that aside for a second and let's talk about the beginning of a relationship with a narcissist. When you started dating them, it was amazing. They're in the love bombing stage. And so what you're seeing is their love bombing stage. They probably are treating them really well, just like they treated you really well. Until they didn't. Abusers abuse. That's what they do. They abuse you, they abuse the person before you, and they'll abuse the person after you. What you're seeing is false, and you're torturing yourself by looking. I'm a certified relationship coach specializing in abuse education and trauma bond recovery.